Hi, this is season 3 of Raga Chords. My name is Karthik Sekran and today we'll talk about Madhyamavati. Welcome to my channel. This is your one-stop solution for everything to do with Indian fusion music. So make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so that you get all my future updates. Let's go. Madhyamavati is a beautiful Audava raga derived from the parent Kharaharapriya. I am sure by now you all know Audava means 5, which means Madhyamavati has 5 notes in the Aarohanam and 5 notes in the Avarohanam, which is why it is also a pentatonic raga. Now Western music calls Madhyamavati as the suspended pentatonic scale because it does not have the ga in it. It also exists as the Egyptian pentatonic scale and various other cultures. In Hindustani music, Madhyamavati is known as Madhumad Sarang. However, a more popular variant of Madhyamavati with Vakra notes exists as Rag Megh in Hindustani music. As you would expect, Megh is a rag derived from the Kafi Thaat, which is equivalent of Kharaharapriya. So in this episode, we are going to talk about Madhyamavati or Madhumad Sarang or simply Megh. So let's talk about the Aarohanam and Avarohanam. You take Kharaharapriya or the Kafi Thaat definition and take away the ga and take away the dha. So the Aarohanam is sa re ma pa ni sa. Avarohanam is sa ni pa ma re sa. The Aarohanam and Avarohanam of Megh is slightly different. It has a few Vakra notes in it. The Aarohana is sa ma re ma pa ni sa and Avarohan is sa ni pa ma re ma ni re sa. Now Megh, as the name suggests, is associated with the rain, the monsoons. Megh means cloud. Now when you think of monsoon or rain, you also think of Megh Malhar, which is a different raga than Megh. We'll use another episode to talk about Megh Malhar. But for today, let's get straight into the chords for Madhyamavati or Megh. So I'll be in the key of C as usual. So Madhyamavati or Megh or Madhumad Sarang is a pentatonic raga from Kafi but no ga, okay, and no dha. So it is sa re ma pa ni sa sa ni pa ma re sa. As you know, with pentatonic ragas, you have a limited option for chords if you stick strictly within the scale. However, let's explore the chords that we can make using just these 5 notes, right? So you start with a C sus2, C sus4. From here, there is no dha, so we cannot play this. We'll have to go here. That's a B flat major, but it's a first inversion. We also have a G minor. This is the second inversion. F sus4, F sus2. Then we have that's a G minor, root position. Then we have, that's a B flat major, root position, and a B flat sus2 as well, and then you're back to the sa. So you see a lot of sus2, sus4 options. Major minor options, there are probably just the G minor and the B flat major, right? And you have the C sus4 and sus2 to give you nice root position chords. Not many options to work with, but you can always, if you can fit it, you can always borrow chords from the parent, which is Kharaharapriya or Kafi Thaat, and you can probably borrow a C minor. You can also probably sometimes borrow a F major, right? The dha and the ga both being included here. Right? So these 2 chords might work at certain instances. However, for your melody, for your songs to sound exclusively like Megh or Madhyamavati, you should avoid the use of the ga and the tha. So you can go sa re ma pa ma pa ni sa. This is a C5. Sa ni or sa ni. That's a B flat. Sa ni pa ma re ni re sa. Again, because sus4, sus2 have a little bit of tension in them, C5 can be a very neutral chord to give you that release. So let's talk about film song examples. A beautiful Ilayaraja song comes to mind. Ilayaraja has a lot of songs in this raga, but there are some that will immediately strike you, and one of them is Needan Pun Vasantam from a movie called Ninevellam Nitya. It's a beautiful groovy song. The whole song is carried by the bass line. If you listen to it carefully, there's a very interesting bass line that goes in. So yeah, the whole song is carried by the bass line, and of course the interlude music is like predominantly Madhyamavati. Needane endan pun vasantam tanara nara 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 nara. Note that if you borrow the C minor from Kharaharapriya or Kafi and play na na, it immediately changes the feel of the song. That is why I told that you should avoid playing the minor or even the major if you want it to sound like Madhyamavati. I give a reason that I'm borrowing a chord from the parent of Madhyamavati, which is Kharaharapriya or Kafi Third, which has the C minor in it, and I play this and I start the song, it is just not going well. It is so off. So you are better off playing the C5 or the sus4 or sus2 according to what notes you are singing, right? So in this case, I'm holding the C5. Needane endan pun vasantam taranara nara 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 taranara nara nara nara. And then it changes briefly to Nate. It's a beautiful song. Lovely piece of music. Check the song out. It's amazing. Apart from this portion, which is na 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 na, just that is very, very strong Natai vibes. Otherwise, the entire song is pretty much Madhyamavati. Beautiful song. A.R. Rahman song example from Takshak. Deem tadhare dhani deem tadhare dhare deem tara dhere na dhani o dhani dir dir dhani tana dir na o dhani dir dir dhani na na. This was later used in a Tamil film called Star, which was Tom Karuvilirindom Tanana Tanana Tanana. Again, notice if I play a minor, it adds unnecessary sadness to the song. It is not needed, right? And it is again not bad, but it's not quite the feel that this has. So you see, predominantly you are done in Madhyamavati using C5, a B major and a G minor, and you are good to go. You can use the sus chords for transitions, like going something like that. There are more song examples like Iramana Rojave by Ilayaraja. Yeah. Iramana Rojave ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na na right? Again, a beautiful song sung by Sudas ji. Lovely song, you should check them out. Alright, let's do a quick improv. Let's see if we can do something interesting.
Pama pani pani sa na na
So that was Madhyamavati or Madhumad Sarang or Megh. So you'll have a lot of songs about rain, but most of them are in Megh Malhar than Megh. But yes, Megh is also associated with rain. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to my channel and switch on all notifications so that you get updates about my videos. I hope this information was useful. I hope you experiment with it and you come up with very interesting tunes. This brings us to the end of season 3 of Raga Chords. Please let me know what other ragas you would like me to cover in these series. Put them down in the comments and I'll try to make videos for them in the future episodes. Thank you so much for your support and love. This is Karthik Sekaran and I'll see you in the next season.
Color